There's two different ways that you can scout an area, I believe. One is you've got to be completely undetected. You got to sneak in and sneak out without the deer knowing that you're there. So if you're going to put up a tree stand on the edge of a bedding area, for example, if you've got a way that you can sneak in and sneak out and the deer not know it, that's a good way to go. That's probably the #1 priority or the best plan. But if you feel like you're going to get in there and bump into some deer, you're way better off taking something like a chainsaw and making a bunch of noise. You don't want to sneak up on the deer. They don't like being surprised. They don't mind it if you give them plenty of warning. You know, it sounds like a farmer. You know, maybe you've got a tractor or something. You can drive up to the edge of the field and jump out with your chainsaw and fire it up and slam a few gates and make some noise. Or if it's a pickup truck, don't be afraid to make noise. Give the deer plenty of warning, move them out, do your thing, and then they'll move back in naturally, because they're not nearly as afraid of loud noises as what we think they might be. They're a lot more geared toward being careful or cautious when they hear those crunchy, sneaky sounds that we make when we're trying to slip up on them and kill them. So keep that in mind if you're scouting a sensitive area. Either make sure it's bulletproof, you can get in perfect, or make a bunch of noise, give them plenty of warning, move them out, and then they'll move back in more naturally.